Kubor Kapatisi TV.
Unong ay kitian jong BJP Meghalaya Pradesh uba kharkrang ulong bakam don Jingmut satya ban chukem ye Nongbylla ti doyong badya ki Nongñiah Trok ki bakit be an ya doyong hendai ladak sorka ka kut Jingmut shisha ban penduk pendam ye jingti doyong be an kadai ban penmi dak jing penmana ka bating e bat ban kem wadya ki Nongaikam ki badan kiti ban penslur ye jingti doyong be an ha jing kran bo unong lum Kubor Kapatisi TV ha kan rutri kulalengkon arja afun rio uba kharkrang ulong ba kito ki badan kiti chalendet kide ki Nongaikam ye ki Nongbylla ban pentulun sakhmat ya kam ti doyong be an ba ka sarkar kade ban kembet ye ki khnang ban pindu jat ye ka jingti doyong be an.
This government has been denying now for many years, and you see the report of the Kataki Justice Kataki is totally different. It contradicts, and the Honorable Justice has put on has gone all out and inquired into all these things, and he has given a very a different kind of report. So I think so. Rather than keep on denying it, I think so. The government should ensure that these people are actually involved, because many of times what happens is the small miners not get arrested, or the truck driver get arrested, not. But the sad part is the person behind all that. These people who are transporting the coal, the people who are working the coal mines, they are just workers. The onus is not on them. The onus is on the people who have hired them, who are the big people. And I think so. The government, you see, the thing is, it's an open secret that illegal mining is going on, and the government should come forward and indicate what are the concrete steps. Just because you can register hundreds and hundreds of cases also. That will not help. Many a times what do you see? Register a case. Okay, register a case. What do you do with the case? Does it come to its conclusion? Logical conclusion. That is what is important. You can register hundreds of cases. How does it matter? You see, by registering such cases, it should be to discourage subsequent people who would want to do illegal mining. It has to discourage them. Now, if it doesn't discourage them, then how does it help? See, that's why for that matter, for anything, I mean, once you register a case, you take up the case, you give full publicity and all, and indicate that the actual people who are involved in that coal mining, that means the big people, they have been arrested. Now, that is how then you send a message across that the government means business. But now, if you are arresting a truck drivers transporting the coal, how does it help? I don't see. I mean, whoever has made the allegations also, he must have some evidence of making the allegations. Now, if rather than keep on denying, I think that's what I'm saying. Now, rather than keep on denying, the government should instruct the district administration of that particular district to go all out and find out whether it's actually happening or not. And if it's actually happening, then legal action should be taken. Just by denying it, it doesn't help. It doesn't help, and then it creates a trust deficit between the people and the government. So we have to avoid these kind of things, and it's for everyone to see.